Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is one of the most influential personal development and financial success books ever written. Originally published in 1937, it remains a cornerstone of wealth-building and self-improvement literature. Hill's book is not just about money. It is a blueprint for achieving success in any area of life by harnessing the power of thought, belief, and persistence. Inspired by over 20 years of research and interviews with some of the most successful people of his time, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison, Hill presents a philosophy that emphasizes the power of mindset, goal setting, and unwavering determination.
Welcome to Read and Review, where we bring the world of books to life. Whether you're into thrilling mysteries, swoon-worthy romances, or mind-bending fantasies, we've got something for everyone. Join our lively discussions, dive into insightful reviews, and become part of our bookish community. Subscribe now and never miss out on your next literary adventure. Read and Review, unlocking stories one book at a time.
At the core of Think and Grow Rich is the idea that success begins with a burning desire. Hill argues that vague wishes or hopes are not enough. One must have a clear, definite goal and a deep emotional connection to it. He emphasizes the importance of writing down goals, visualizing success, and taking continuous action toward achieving them. Hill highlights the role of faith in achieving success, stating that whatever the mind believes with conviction will manifest into reality. This aligns with modern concepts like the law of attraction, where positive thoughts and self-confidence help shape one's destiny. Hill provides techniques for strengthening belief, such as affirmations and visualization, which help condition the subconscious mind for success. The book stresses that doubt and fear are the biggest obstacles to success. Hill encourages readers to replace negative thoughts with empowering beliefs and to surround themselves with positive influences. He suggests using auto-suggestion, repeating affirmations daily, to reprogram the mind for wealth and achievement. Hill makes a clear distinction between general education and specialized knowledge. He argues that formal schooling does not necessarily lead to wealth, but rather, focused knowledge in a specific field, combined with action, is the key to success. Many of the world's most successful people, such as Henry Ford, were not highly educated in the traditional sense but became masters of their industries through specialized learning and application. A central theme in Think and Grow Rich is persistence, the ability to keep going despite setbacks. Hill argues that failure is not a sign to quit, but rather a lesson that brings one closer to success. He shares multiple stories of famous individuals who failed numerous times before achieving greatness, including Thomas Edison, who conducted thousands of failed experiments before inventing the light bulb. One of Hill's most powerful ideas is the Mastermind Group, a principle that has been widely adopted by entrepreneurs and business leaders. A mastermind group consists of a small circle of ambitious, like-minded individuals who support and challenge each other. Hill argues that combining the knowledge and energy of multiple people creates a powerful force for success. Fear, the greatest obstacle to success. Hill identifies 6 major fears that hold people back: fear of poverty, fear of criticism, fear of ill health, fear of loss of love, fear of old age, and fear of death. He explains that fear creates doubt, which leads to procrastination and ultimately failure. The book teaches techniques to overcome fear by taking action, cultivating confidence, and refusing to let external circumstances dictate one's success. Think and Grow Rich is not just a book about making money. It's a guide to success in all aspects of life. It teaches the principles of desire, faith, persistence, and strategic action, which are applicable to business, relationships, and personal growth. Hill's insights remain relevant nearly a century later, and many modern success coaches and entrepreneurs continue to apply his teachings. However, some readers may find the book's language outdated, and its principles can sometimes seem overly simplistic. Additionally, the book does not provide step-by-step financial strategies, but instead focuses on mindset and psychological principles. Despite this, the book's core lessons are timeless and continue to inspire millions worldwide. Thank you for watching. Please let us know which book we should review next.